Here I have WIKO Y60, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of opened apps on your device, it will actually cause your device to work slowly. And what you can do about all these apps, you will have to close them all. To do this, you just have to tap this recent button. Here you can see all of the apps which you have opened, and you can close them all by tapping this clear all, and after that all of the running apps will be closed, and as you can see, no recent items. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.